Alright everybody, welcome back to As the Rooster Crows. Today we are going to start planting. And we had a little mishap the other night and it dropped down below 30 degrees and Joe got up and saw that and at about 3 o'clock in the morning was out here covering plants up with a tarp. But still some got burnt. So we've been trying to baby them and get them to come back, but I was not feeling good yesterday and I didn't come out here and water, so everything's kind of wilty. But we're going to go ahead and plant. All the bales now have mushrooms, so they're all ready to go. So let's get started. Okay, to plant in a bale, all you do is spread it apart and chunk it down in there, like that. We had too many plants, so Joe tilled this part right here, and we're planting the squash and zucchini over here.
And this soil is really crappy. They must have had a gravel drive over here, so it's kind of mixed with dirt. So I'm putting some potting soil in first, and that'll help get everything established. And then once it gets below the gravel, it should be pretty good.
We're going to do jalapenos over here. Wow, these are so tightly packed, it's hard to get them separated. Oh, wow.
You want that little hand shovel you can shove in there?
Yeah, where is it? Look at all those mushrooms. The mushrooms come out in the early mornings, and when the sun hits them, they just dry out and just crumble. So I'm going to plant 2 per bale, because whatever we have left over, Joe said he's just going to bring down to the garden down south, and then he'll just pick what's there and bring it back so that we can can it or whatever. So we're going to, in this one, we're going to plant some red bell pepper. And as you can see, these are easier to work with. That alfalfa is just so tightly packed. So this one is yours.
Okay.
All these cucumbers are yours too. And squash.
Okay, I can put them on the one end of the garden down there and see.
I mean, they look dead, but they're not.
Right.
This is.
And I do have some planted down there already.
These are jalapenos. They might come back. Yep, their little leaves are trying to come back.
Are they?
Yep. You want to take these or?
We can. I'll have room. I'll just stick them in down there in some corner, and
Okay.
if they make
So
it,
this
they
whole
make it.
thing is yours. It was already. Oh, that's that thing. Calypso, what are those?
Straight 8s.
I don't have any more. There we go.
Nice.
We have this row planted, This is going to be cucumbers down here, and on the sides right here I'm going to do a cantaloupe and a watermelon. Let it flow over the side. On this side we have eggplant and then just a variety of peppers all the way to the end. Well, except in the box. We have onions and asparagus and garlic. These bales are so easy. The other ones, it's so hard to get in between. It's the one that's wrapped in the...
Oh yeah, I've never saw those before, ground cherry. They don't even look like a tomato plant.
Right.
So I'm interested to see. I don't know if they grow up. Do they grow on the ground? I don't know.
We'll see. Oh my gosh, the mosquitoes are just insane, and I've sprayed myself.
Well, it's the next night. Melissa and I are out here planting the beans, which is pretty much the last thing we have to do inside the bales. Well, we got all the beans planted. The row over on this side is tender green. That's a 55-day bush snap bean. And over here on this side is bush, it's another bush one, Blue Lake 274, which is usually my favorite bean to plant. And we should get a pretty good amount. They're 3 inches apart, planted 1 inch deep. Melissa's going to water them in here, and we can watch them grow.
Put the sprinkler out here.
On the bales itself?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, everybody, everything is planted. So we did the last of the beans today, and I got everything watered in. And it looks like those alfalfa bales are not going to be bad. They're a pain to plant in because they're so tight. But I think that the plants are really going to like those. Something else you can do if you want is to add soil. I don't. But you can add soil if you like, just a layer to the top, or add it in with your plants when you plant them. But I just plant them, just plop them out the little container and plant them right in the bales. So we'll see how everything grows up here. Everything did really well in Louisiana, but this is a totally different climate. But we do have more sun here, so. All right, until next time, we'll come out and check periodically and see how they're going. So please like, share, and subscribe, and let me know what you think if you have any pointers. Thanks for watching. You ready to go inside? Huh? You ready to get out of here? Huh? Let's go. Let's go inside.